Apple's next iPad mini could have a massive display upgrade in RAW, switching from an IPS LCD panel to an OLED. Apple is currently testing Samsung-made OLED panels for the most smallest iPad, and this will be a welcome change. It is rumored to make its debut in 2026, around 2 years since its predecessor came out. The 2024 iPad mini was also rumored to get an OLED panel back in 2023, but that did not happen since the introduction of the new display tech got postponed to the next iterations in line. It's interesting Apple to go on this line, investing in the smallest iPad. This means that the iPad mini lineup is going quite well sales wise, because there were rumors they might discontinue it. The iPad Air is also rumored to get OLED action in 2026. So in 2026, all the iPads will have OLED screen. But since this is an entry level model, it will not get any LTPO, LTS screen or a tandem OLED screen. It will be a single stack with a decent but not record breaking brightness, and there will be no high refresh rate. But it is very interesting development.